guy?
He is amazing.
What, Monica?
Nigga coming up, I'm just chilling with my niggas. No, we tryna get that back, tryna flex on all these haters, but that's never gonna stop. Time money.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We're here back at the park again, man. You know what it is. This is elimination game. So we're doing a best of 7 series, you know. But just like the NBA, it's the first one to win 4 games. And right now, Buddy has 3 games over me, and I have 1 game so far. So I know all odds are against me, but you know, we're finna pull out with the victory and get this W. But low-key, I know what to do against him, man. I know what to do against him. I just gotta play some defense. That's it. And make some shots. That's all I gotta do. But we're here, man. Huh?
What was the score again?
Scores 3-1.
2-1? 3-1?
3-1. Yeah. You got 3 games on me to 1.
You beat him by two, right? Last time you beat him by 2, right? Or 3?
I don't remember the score. It was like 2 months ago.
Time money.
It's like the longest series, bro. So what you think, man? You winning today?
I don't know.
I know you still got the leg thing going.
Yeah, my leg kind of hurt though. But last time you beat me, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna see this time how you gonna go. I don't know, but we're gonna see.
But how you feeling though?
I mean, right now I'm feeling good right now though. My leg kind of feel a little bit better right now, but
Okay.
yeah, I'm all right though. For
So
sure, I'm
today's the
alright.
day?
Yeah.
All right, man. He said today's the day. I mean, I got to be confident, so I don't think today's the day, but we're going to see, though. We're going to see. I got to come out aggressive as hell. We're going to see.
Time money.
13.
It's game 1's 2's first one to 12.
12?
12?
Yeah.
All right.
Time money.
You can't grab your elbow. Ball gotta hit something. Man, it's been a real battle, right? Huh? 7-6. 7-6, yeah. It's been a real battle so far, you know, but I can't lose my focus. Gotta keep the winning drive going. So, let's go.
Money.
Your food was online. It's online? Yeah. Was it online?
Try money.
Baby, turn it up, turn it up.
Bro, my hand is straight up, bro.
You hit my elbow though.
How am I gonna hit your elbow if my hand is straight up?
I know, but you hit my elbow though when you was going up.
Because you're coming into me.
But that's still a foul though.
It's not a foul if you're coming into me,
That's
bro.
the one. You hit my elbow.
If you put your hand straight up, that's not a foul.
But you hit my elbow though.
Because of you created the contact.
Yeah, so it's still my ball.
It's not
That's
a
foul.
foul, bro.
You want to shoot for it?
Alright.
Ball on line,
Some petty fouls. Nah, petty. How am I handling you straight up? I'm not coming into you or anything. You're still hitting me. You're coming into me. That's a foul? It's not a foul, bro.
That's why. That's the reason I missed. Because you hit my elbow. That's why.
But the contact is on your behalf.
Yeah, I called it though. Come on now. Yo, come on, that shit was late. That was too late. That was too late. That's too late though. You been shooting the ball, then you wanna call it. Come on, you should have been calling it though. Since
I'll shoot for it.
oh, come on now, bro.
I'll shoot for it.
You tripping. You went until like you gonna match it? No. Oh, I'm about to you wanna match it? All right, go ahead. It's just the fact that you will until you shoot the ball, then you call a foul. You gotta call that shoot before you shoot the ball. You gotta cut this shit. You going by twos? So everything's one. That's a one. You going by twos?
That's still ones and twos.
Yeah, but I'm saying you said everything's one.
No, you gotta win by two.
Oh no, okay.
Yeah. What's this game?
Oh, that's game?
Alright,
bro.
I thought she was gonna have like a little. Well, y'all boys, you see how I won this. I thought she was gonna do all that.
Nah, I don't really be doing all that.
Job's not finished. Job finished? I don't think so.
Okay.